Hi, first graders. Are you ready for our Friday craft? This Friday, we're going to make a fun bunny. So you need to find in your craft bag something that looks like this. And there's a big oval on the back. So take a minute, pause the video if you don't already have this. I'm going to go ahead and cut out all of my parts so that you don't need to sit here and watch me cut. And then I'm going to show you how to put these together. Okay, so let's take a look, make sure we have all our parts. So my first part is a great big oval. Now you might notice on your oval, there's a little bit of a line. Don't cut on that line. Just cut the outline of your oval. So you can see that I have my great big oval. I cut out my blue part, which is going to be our overalls on our little bunny. I have my two white pieces, which are going to be my part of my ears. I have my pink pieces, which go in the middle of my ears. And then I have our little bunny feet. So let me go ahead and I'll start putting this together now. I'm going to start with my big piece because I'm going to glue everything together to my big piece. So first thing I'm going to glue is my blue overalls to my big white piece. And I'm going to line up my overalls best I can with the bottom of my oval. It's okay if it's not perfect. Look, you can see it's not even perfect. I'm going to try to redo that best I can. Okay, that's a little bit better. I'll keep it that way. And then, I know what, it's probably because I flipped things around. If you do it on this side, you can kind of see the lines to glue your overalls on. So you might want to use this side actually. You can kind of line it up with the lines a little bit better. Okay. Then I'm going to glue my ears. So first I'm going to glue my pink parts on to the middle of my bunny ears. So there's one. And two. And I'm going to glue my ears to the back of my bunny. So I'm actually going to put my glue on my ear first. And then I'm going to stick it on. And there's my great big bunny ears. And the feet, all we're going to do is glue right on to the bottom of our bunny. So it looks like its little feet are sticking out. We have our little bunny feet. And that's all the parts we need to glue and cut. So the last little bit, I'm going to take some markers to decorate my bunny's face. And I'm going to use black, and I'm also going to use pink for my bunny nose. You can use any colors you want to use. So I'm going to use black first for my little bunny eyes. And then I'm going to use pink for my bunny nose, which I do my bunny nose kind of like an upside down triangle, but I like to make it a little bit rounded. And my bunny whiskers. And I want to make my bunny nice and happy. And there we go. I have my little Easter bunny ready to go.